In this guide, I'll show you how to get the Great Katana in Elden Ring, Shadow of the Erdtree. So what you want to do is have a look at your map, and you want to start north of the Scorched Ruins, where we're at this crossroads, and you'll find a site of grace. Now we're going to be working our way up this road to this little pond here. So what you want to do is hop onto your horse. You will come across some enemies along the road. They're going to be smaller enemies though, so you don't have to worry about them. You can run just right past them. Now, there will actually be a boss at this pond, which you don't necessarily have to fight. You can actually run past them and grab it, but I recommend you get rid of them while you're there. Once you're down here, you want to start running across this area, and you'll fight your boss right here. And just give it a couple more seconds as we run up, and you will see a corpse right here. And you just want to loot this corpse, and you'll get the Great Katana. So the Great Katana does come with a unique Ash of War, as well as strength and dex scaling, and it does cause blood loss buildup. If this guide was helpful, like and subscribe, and we'll see you in the next one.